State planet origin? Okay, yesterday you told us you traveled, and I quote, thousands of light years to get here.
Yes.
Tell us the truth, or the word, or another reader.
It is truth. When I fall off future. To travel in time is to travel in space. Infinite directions.
So I take it aliens took over our future, right?
No.
So you're human. Okay, so you evolved from us.
Yes.
So what are you doing here now?
Yourself. Somebody uses forward.
How?
Now. No. Speed of support. No. Ancestors.
Okay, so how about we concentrate on your time?
The whole company is compliant with whatsoever. The scores of more time.
Try me.
Watching of the universe. The control circuit. Yes. Control.
Wait, so you know the meaning of life?
Rachel.
What's the difference?
Something else. The spirit. Progress. Constructive. Growth.
So you know how the universe is created.
Yes.
So you think God.
Very fast. For substation.
Okay, illuminate us. What happens when we die? Okay, so let me get this straight. There's no death, and we all experience each other's lives, right? Okay, so how was the universe created, and why is it so perfectly made for us? Moving on. Okay, so why do we destroy ourselves with nuclear war? Can you be more specific, please? Okay, one last thing. What about morality? What do you base your morality on? I see. Okay, that's it. Thank you.